Hello, friends. I am Jeremy, and today, I will discuss food nutrition labeling. As a food manufacturer, I am aware of the importance of labeling food products. And for this task, I was looking for a robust food labeling online application. I did my research and came to know about nutritionist Pratrata Marksine nutrient analysis tools. These products are offered online by Axxia Systems LLC. I purchased the Nutrition Food Label Generator online application. I got this tool mainly for producing data nutrition labels for my food packages. Unlimited food labels in different languages can be produced by using this. I followed the instructions provided in the tutorial videos and learned to use this tool. The entire process is quite simple. You just have to follow the step-by-step quick screens. All the food labeling guidelines are followed and compliant food labels are created. This is the best nutrient analysis application I have come across. The built-in ingredient database is an added feature which helps in recipe creation. I can also save the data nutrition labels in high-resolution images. I recommend everyone to buy this data nutrition label maker tool online. Visit the website www.nutritionistpro.com and make the purchase.